Hey guys, welcome back to The Upgrade. If you're new here, I'm Yi, and this is my series where I test out new products to see if they're worth the upgrade for your home. Now, this week we got a really cool product from Ecovacs. They specialize in like automated, smart, like pool cleaners, robot vacuums, things like that. But this week we get to test out this thing. It's the Ecovacs GOAT O1000, and it's supposed to be a smart lawnmower for your lawn. So we're gonna see if this is actually an upgrade or if something that you should just consider skipping. Okay, I will say this thing is way heavier than I expected. Inside you get this handy dandy quick start guide, which we will definitely need. You get a brush thing, power cord, we'll need that. Things, don't know what that does. More things, let's just do this for now. I'm supposed to use this to take out the lawnmower itself. Ugh! Dude, that's so heavy. Ooh, and now we get to the machine itself. Dude, this thing looks really nice. Holy crap. They have this feature called the Holoscope 360. It's a dual LiDAR system. Now, I used to work in the self-driving car industry, so I know a little bit about LiDARs. LiDARs are light laser detection. And so what happens is this one, I think this one actually keeps spinning. So this will basically shoot lasers out in a 360-degree field of view. And that's what lets it map like a holographic map so it knows what it's actually mowing. I know they have another LiDAR sensor on here. Oh, I think it's on the front. Yeah, so we'll look at that when I take it out. Oh, it's actually not that bad over here. And this is the base station. So the idea here is that the lawn mowing robot, the GOAT O1000, can automatically go back to its stock. I think it's a pretty similar idea at home if you got like your Roombas or like your smart robot vacuums, same idea. All right, have our base station. We have our power adapter. The nice thing is this can charge a full battery in 70 minutes. So I'm very curious to see how long it'll take to actually just do my small backyard lawn. Okay, I got power. Let's bring this bad boy over. Honestly, not too heavy. Kind of dig. Whoa. Okay, it uses these metal contacts, I think, to know that it's stocked in, or it uses these metal contacts to charge. But that doesn't seem likely because I feel like if I touched it, I'd electrocute myself.
I think it is to charge.
Should I touch it?
No. Think about it, it's a complete circuit.
I will be so shocked if it just works. Okay, it says navigate the robot to the starting position and tap start to start mapping. Okay, so I can control it like a thingamajig. Okay, so I'm gonna start it. That way it's like on the edge. Okay, let's auto map. Okay, I've chosen just that area. I'm gonna hit start. All right, it says Steph Curry, area in progress. Preparing to start. Here, I'm gonna set it to the lowest setting. I set it to 2 inches, I'm gonna set it to 1.2. You know, so we can see like as low as it goes. Oh yeah, no. Oh, I can see it in action. It's so quiet. I think setting it much lower is it's much more obvious, but now we can prove that it's doing. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh, dude, you can totally see it. Wow. Oh, go to work, baby.
Success.
Amazing. All right, should we do a 6-month time cut?
Yeah,
time jump?
Just jump right now.
Yeah. All right, 6 months later. We are back. It's a week later, and I have a special guest today.
I'm here, and apparently this is a new episode of The Upgrade.
The owner of the channel is now here with us. This is actually the first time Michael has been in an episode of The Upgrade.
The Upgrade, actually, yeah.
And I'm really excited. We're trying to see, is it worth it to try out one of these robot lawnmowers? This time around, we're trying this. This is the Ecovacs GOAT O1000.
It's called a GOAT?
It's called the GOAT. Yeah, well, I call it the GOAT. It's called GOAT, like O1000.
Okay. If I open up the app for the first time, this is what I see.
Yeah.
It's all set up. It's all connected to the Wi-Fi and everything. So I just hit enter. I guess it's looking for the robot. Okay, and I can just hit start mapping. Robot is docked at the station. Battery has reached 50% at least.
Yep.
Okay, now it's preparing to start.
Okay. Yeah, it's moving. What it's doing right now is it actually has 2 LiDAR systems. So you see that little bulb up top, that sphere. So that is think about like Waymos, right? So Waymos have this constantly rotating 360 LiDAR. And what that does is that creates a holographic map. That is essentially like making a point field chart or map where it's like, okay, it's seeing everything around it. And it also has another LiDAR in the front, which is, they call it time of flight. It's the same thing. Basically, it's shooting laser beams out, and it's detecting how long it takes to bounce back, and then that's how it builds that depth field. So the one on top builds the map, the one in the front really helps with object detection.
Got it.
And I'm pretty sure it can help with border detection too, like, oh, how close am I to whatever? Right. And so there's a camera on board where it can recognize like object detection. So if, Dodo, my dog is in front of it, it can say, hey, that's a dog. Combine that with the LiDAR, it can say, hey, the dog is X, feet, inches away, and I know how to avoid it. And it has like this whole like onboard processor and this AI camera that is able to recognize and detect, the size of the object, where it is, that kind of stuff.
Interesting.
Yeah.
How much are those?
How much do you think it is?
2,000?
Less.
Is it?
Yeah. So I just checked this online. On their website, it's $1,500. I don't know, even for $1,500, I did some math. I'm like, it's actually still like, if you have a bigger lawn and you just want it to be taken care of, you could save money.
Ooh, I like this.
I'm very curious about how it navigates this, because I don't think this is tall enough for it to go underneath. And we also noticed the first time around when we ran this that if it seemed like it missed a spot, like we were watching it, we're like, oh, it kind of got confused and it went another way.
Yeah.
Still came back.
It came back.
It still came back, and it still like made sure to get that spot. It's very gentle when it goes around objects. See?
Yeah, it's
Look at
good. Unlike most other vacuums that I've tried before, like it'll bump into the object and be like,
It like forces its way.
Yeah.
It like does force feedback to figure out, oh,
Yeah,
this
like
is a wall.
yeah, I can't
and
go
then
there.
I'm gonna go somewhere else.
That is cool.
It's good. It's consistent.
Yeah. It knows it's there. Yeah, I'm fairly confident it's going to do its job like fairly well, just by watching it right now.
It does what it says it's gonna do.
Yeah. I mean, what else can you ask
Which
for,
I
right?
think is as much as you want, right?
Yeah.
It's like, I bought a product, does it do its job? It does.
Yeah.
Great. See, I can get work done while just hanging out.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
Yeah. No, I like that. We might just have to edit the.
Here,
don't know,
I have
the
an
boundary.
idea. Does it hug it well? Is anything trimming?
No.
Like nothing's moving?
No.
Did it break earlier? Is that what happened? Oh, fuck!
Oh god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
It's like, yeah, it left that huge thing sticking out.
That's so
This thing is
scary.
This thing is
When it
traumatizing.
turns on. Oh my god! When does it choose
It's
to
so
turn
random.
on? Hey, hugs it well though.
Yeah, I was gonna say, like, to be
Hugged it
fair,
really well.
It's really at the edge.
So okay, I guess in the spirit of the series, the upgrade, right? And for you being on this series for the first time, officially, do you think this is an upgrade?
I definitely think it's an upgrade. I mean, this beats any of the lawnmowers that I've owned and tried in the past. Much quieter. It looks cool.
It's so quiet.
Yeah, it looks cool. It works. It's super simple. Yeah, I mean, you don't have to empty out anything. You don't have to grease anything up or start the lawnmower. When was the last time you had to start a lawnmower?
Yeah.
Probably September 2024.
Yeah. It's kind
That's
of
not even that long ago, actually. September 2024.
When I lived with my parents.
Wow, you like kind of recently mowed a lawn.
Yeah. I was gonna say it's like,
And now you're shooting videos.
it's like
Yeah.
many years ago for me. But yeah, no, this is cool. I like it.
Here's my honest take on it. I do think it's worth it. There's the question of who it's for. It's not for me because I have a very small lawn and I already have a landscaper that comes on a weekly basis who not only takes care of my lawn, but takes care of like the leaves and like cleaning up everything. Like yard care is so much more than just taking care of your lawn,
Yeah.
right? If I just had a big lawn where I had to constantly like maintain it, awesome. I think if a lot of grass, you should totally use this. But if you have a lot of things that need taken care of as a combination and you're already paying money for it, I don't know. Like you would.
If we didn't have turf, if our
Right.
backyard, because our backyard is just fence
Right.
and just turf. So if we still had our lawn,
Yes.
this would have been perfect for us.
Totally.
Especially back then, I had little kids. I would always be just like taking care of the kids. This would have been handy. but that was like many years ago. So,
Yeah.
which is to say that there are still a lot of people like me in that situation right now. I think that this is for them because it's not that expensive.
No, it really isn't. In the grand scheme of things, like how much this costs to maintain and acquire, it actually is a very reasonable price. And given that like it is smart, like we saw, like it maneuvers really well. It is quiet. It is easy to run. Like legitimately, once you set this up, you schedule it and it does its thing.
Yes.
So and to that end, I'm like, yeah, I can. It actually is pretty compelling.
It's very compelling to me, and it's very ironic because I don't have a lawn anymore. But the fact that it's so quiet, you know how when you have a schedule for mowing the lawn, it's like at a certain hour it's going to be loud. That's when I don't record any videos because my neighbor does that. If you have something like this that just regularly maintains your lawn, very quiet, this is perfect. I love it.
Yeah, I guess with that being said, shout out and thanks to Ecovacs for letting us try out the GOAT, probably the most appropriately named device I've come across for smart home use.
I think it's a worthy upgrade.
I think it's a worthy upgrade.
Yeah, I think it's
especially if you didn't have, if you were manually doing it beforehand, this is totally worth it.
Yes.
It can take care of a huge amount of space. I am not deserving of this thing. I completely understand that. And so for people that really have larger lawns, this will be a huge time saver.
Yes, I agree.
With that, if you're in the market for this, it's a pretty easy to recommend, honestly. Once you get it set up and you know what you're doing, and honestly, you spend like 20, 30 minutes getting used to it, it's totally fine. Thank you, Michael, for joining us.
Thank you for having me.
On this episode of The Upgrade. Let us know what you thought about this and if you would get it for yourself. And please like, comment, subscribe. It means a lot to us, just so we can keep doing random little fun things like this. I love that we got to sit and hang out for this episode.
Yes.
Really enjoyable. And yeah, let us know, if there's anything else you guys would like us to check out. I'm always on the hunt for new random home improvement devices.
Can I insert something real quick? One of the reasons I'm actually here today is because we are going to be testing out something really, really cool very soon for the channel.
Yes.
So
yes,
highly recommend that you subscribe.
Yes.
Because
I
we're
agree.
pretty excited to actually show this.
Yeah, I know. Maybe clip teaser here. No, actually that's not gonna happen. We won't be that fast. Teaser here.
Can you do it that fast, Jacob?
Yours might be out.
Yeah. It might be.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you guys again. We'll see you guys in the next one.